Today I'm going to replace the choke control lever on my Cadet 1517 lawn tractor. It's an older machine. I've had it for about 20 years. And last week, when operating the choke to start, the knob just broke off inside. So I went on the internet and went looking for a replacement and showed up this weekend, and it's a really easy job. It runs through the dashboard, is secured there with that nut and washer. The cable comes down through an anchor and attaches, as you can see, to the choke control at the carburetor. If you need one, here's the part number. It wasn't that hard to find. It was about $35, $38. Showed up pretty quick. Here I'm going to pull it apart. This locking nut is on finger tight. It's on a plastic thread. Probably that's why it's finger tight. Took a little effort to break it loose, but once it broke loose, it came off. And behind that in the dash is a washer to keep the nut secure. Slides down on the cable. Really, the only tool you really need is a drive, and not that one. That one broke off in my hand. Not that one either, because that's the wrong size. This one worked. I think it's a 1/4 inch. Back that screw out, not all the way, because you're able to just keep it there and pull the cable out as it's being secured. Here's the only place that you might want another tool. I use a small pair of pliers to pull the wire out from the mechanism. Maybe I didn't have to. Probably made it easier though. You want to be careful so you don't bend the mechanism on the machine, and there it just falls out. And then you simply just pull the whole cable out through the dashboard, and that's junk. Toss away. New cable threads right back in where the old one pulled out. You want to first put the washer on and then the keeper nut. And this should be secured before you try and attach the cable back to the choke control itself. It keeps the end of the cable positioned so it's easier to fit inside the hole when it passes through. And it came off by hand. I put it back on by hand. Finger tight as I can get it. And one hand on the choke mechanism, one on the cable. You want to rotate it to where it needs to be to fit through. Mark it in there, and that's pretty much all it is. Put the cable sheath back into the anchor. Tighten it up again with the right tool, not that one or that one. That one. Don't over tighten it so you don't crimp the sheathing. Tighten enough to secure and stay in place. And that's the job. It's complete. A little post-maintenance testing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.